Fluffernutter cookie sandwiches. Take one.
Yum.
There is a yogurt custard ice cream shop down here, and they have Fluffernutter ice cream. I never thought I would like anything like that, but I do like it. And you can only get it like once a month. It's one of their daily specials, or once a week, or once a month for the week. They have a weekly special, and then they have a daily special.
Spit it out.
Try it. And if you don't know their schedule, if you don't go down there and see it, then you don't know when they have it. So we're making the cookie sandwiches, Fluffernutter. So let's start off with 1 cup of butter and 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 3/4 cup of just white granulated sugar. And guys, if you do not like this peanut butter cookie recipe that I use your own. It doesn't matter. It's just a basic peanut butter cookie right now. Because everybody has their own personal favorite one, but this is our favorite peanut butter cookie. So, what we're using. We're going to mix that all together. We had a nice rain a while ago. Good for our flowers and our tomato plants anyway. Good to grow the grass too.
Yeah.
Billy.
I got to mow again tomorrow when it's not raining.
We have squirrels that we feed, and they come right up to the door. We got, it's like 2 babies that was born this year or so, and then I think it's a mama. So it's Rockette and 2 Rockies. Yeah, they come up to the door and they just stand there sometimes up on their hind feet trying to look in, looking for peanuts. I put a little bit of peanut butter on a peanut yesterday. It's like, ooh, double peanut.
They really like the peanut butter.
Yeah. I gave them some of the dog treats I make, peanut butter dog treats. They wasn't too fond of that for some reason.
They ate them.
Yeah. They ate them, but they went around them. They ate them last. All right, so I have 1 1/4 cup of peanut butter. We're just going to give that a little mixy mix together right here. Here's what she looks like so far.
Looks like peanut butter.
And now we're going to put in 2 eggs. Bloop. And a bloop. Okay. Give that a little mix. And now a teaspoon of vanilla or so.
The good stuff.
There's that. And a little mix again. And guys, if you haven't seen Billy's video on bologna gravy, go back and check that out.
Oh, it was good.
I'm not much of a gravy person, so I didn't even try it, but he is.
I love gravy.
All right, so here I have 2 cups of flour, and we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of soda. And give that a little mix.
Yeah, why not? I'll throw a little salt in it too.
I got salted butter. But hey, it's not on my... Salt doesn't hurt.
Nah.
A little bit. Because your desserts sometimes need a little bit of salt.
Oh, that's going to be good.
With the Fluffernutter inside.
Mm-hmm.
The fluffer, I guess. I'm gonna just mix this up till all the flour gets stirred in there. All right. Mix it by hand now. Get it all pulled up from the bottom and stirred in there. And let me clean up here and then we'll be right back. All right, I got my big tablespoon or more scoop here. So we're just going to put them on our parchment paper. My oven is preheated, 350 degrees. Move this over a little bit. Try to get them all about the same size so they're going to match up as a sandwich. We love these kind of cookies because you get 2 cookies for one. See?
Yeah.
I only ate one.
I like the little oatmeal cream pies you made.
I'm making those again soon.
Man, that was good. that was way better than the ones you buy in the store.
Better for you, probably. Anyway.
Oh, yeah. Don't have all that preservatives in it.
All right, guys. So 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll show you when we get done. All right. So now we're going to make the fluffing. So right now I have 6 tablespoons of butter, room temperature butter in this bowl. Mix that up. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. You might as well go ahead and get that in. All right. So now we're going to put in 2 7-ounce jars of marshmallow cream. Easy to get out. It's easier to get out when you're making fudge because I use the hot spoon. But all right. That one. Now let's work on this one. And I got 1 round of cookies out of the oven. I got another round in the oven. So by the time I get this done, those might be cooled off so we can put them together. All right.
That looks gooey.
Nice and sticky.
Mm-hmm. What makes it taste good, huh?
I guess. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to mix that together. Woo. On low.
Low and slow.
And then we have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar that I have sifted. So we'll put that in there. Get that down in there. And then that's it for the fluffing, as I'm calling it. Get that all mixed up. Our cookies are still hot, so I can't mix it yet. So we will come back and fill them after the cookies cool. I was hoping they'd be cool by now, but you put this filling in that hot cookie, or even warm, you're gonna have a bigger mess. So we'll be right back. All right, our cookies have cooled off, and now we're going to put it together. Those ones are not cool. So this is messy, as you guys probably already know that.
Messy and good.
I don't know how much to put on there.
Oh, about
that much.
As much as you can get on it.
Yeah, I know. That's how you do.
Let them ooze out the side.
Look at that.
Look at that.
All right.
Bet that's going to be good.
We're just going in. Those peanut butter cookie recipe is delicious too. So good, guys. Give this one a try if you like messy and good.
We do.
So like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, please do all the things and give this one a try because it's awesome. I'm going to finish eating this when we get off of here because it's messy. So guys, we'll see you next time and peace out and have a great day.
Later, Gators.